Hello students, welcome to Kingston Public School. Today we will learn about largest number, smallest number and estimation. Okay, so let's start. We can make the different numbers having the same number of digits by interchanging position of digit. Means we can make largest number and smallest number by the same number of digits by interchanging position of digit. For example, here given that 4 digits 3096. For largest number, firstly we write the largest digit is 9. Then next second largest is 6, then 3 and 0. So this is the largest digit we can make for these 4 numbers. Okay. Then next is smallest digit. For smallest digit, firstly we write the smallest for smallest number, firstly we write the smallest digit. Okay, so smallest digit is 0, then next is 3, then 6 and 9. So the smallest number we can make from these 4 digits is this. Okay, this is wrong, this is okay. Then next is we can convert every large number in terms of smallest number. Means we can convert any large number in terms of smaller number. Means example 100. 100 we can write in smaller number 10 tens. Means 10 tens is equal to 100. But in the smaller terms we can write 100 as 10 tens. Okay. Then another example is 1000. 1000 is also write as 10 hundred or 10 tens in the terms of smaller number. Okay. Then 1 lakhs is write as 100,000 and 1,000,000. Okay. Then 1 crore is write as 100 lakhs and 10,000 thousands. Okay. This is the convert every large number to terms of smaller number. Okay. Then next is estimation. What is estimation? To estimate means to find something close to the correct answer. In another word, you are approximating. When there is a very large figure, we approximate that number to the nearest possible value. This is called the estimation. Estimating depends on the degree of accuracy required and how quickly the estimation is needed. Okay. Estimation tell you to look at the digit to the right of the digit you want to estimate, and if it is less than 5 then you round down, and if it is greater than 5 you round up. Means for example, look at this. Okay, let's round 23 to the nearest tens. Nearest tens are numbers that had multiples of tens. These are the multiples of tens. Multiples of tens always have 0 at the ones place. Okay, what are the two nearest tens to 23? What are the two tens? 20 and 30 is the nearest tens to the 23. And what nearest to 23? What tens nearest to 23? The difference between 22 to 23, 20 to 23 is small, but the difference between 23 to 30 is big. So the nearest 10 is 20. So answer is 20. Okay. The next is the same. Let's round the 423 to the nearest 100. In the same way, nearest 100 are numbers that had multiples of 100, and multiples of 100 always have the zeros at ones place and 10 place. Okay. And what are the nearest hundreds to 423? 2 hundreds, 400 and 500. Okay, 400 and 500. So what is the nearest 100 to 423? Okay, The difference between 400 to 423 is less, but the 400 to 23 to 500 is big. So the nearest 100 is 400. Okay. The next is, let's round the 3800 to the nearest 1000. In the same way as nearest 1000 are numbers that had multiples of 1000, and in 1000 multiples of thousands have always have zeros at ones place, tens place and hundred place. Okay. Then what are the 1000 nearest to the 3800? 2000 is the 3000 and 4000. 3000 and 4000. What is the 1000 is nearest? The difference between 3000 to 3800 is big, but the difference between 3800 to 4000 is small. So 4000 is the nearest to the 3800. Okay. In the same way, you will do all examples of estimation. Okay. The next is Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration. In the Indian system, the first comma comes after 3 digit from the right, and the next comma comes after the next 2 digit, and then after every 2 digit, and so on. In Indian system, first comma comes after 3 digit, and then next comma after 2 digit, and then after every 2 digit commas comes. Okay, in Indian system of numeration. But in the international numeration system, we have to put a comma after every 3 digit from the right. Okay, for example, see, this is after 3 digit comma, the next comma is after 3 digit. Okay, no here no third digit for 8 digit number, so we put the comma here. Okay, second comma after 100,000 place. Okay, so what is the difference between the Indian system and international system? Indian system, first comma is after 3 digit, and then next commas after every 2 digit comes. Okay, and in international system, first every commas is after every 3 digit numbers. Okay, here we have to find rounding to the nearest 10, 100, 1000. Complete the table below. Means here numbers are given and we have to find the nearest tens and nearest 100 and nearest 1000. First number is 650. So its nearest 10 is 650. 650. Okay, and nearest 100 is 700. Okay, and nearest 1000, no nearest 1000 because it's a 3 digit number. Okay, then in 116 nearest 10 is 120. Okay, and nearest 100 120, and nearest 100 is 100. Okay, and nearest 1000, no nearest 1000 because it's 3 digit number. Okay, we will see 4 digit number. Okay, his nearest 10 is 5260 is the nearest 10. Okay, and nearest 100 is 5300 is the nearest 100. Okay, and nearest 1000 is 5000. Okay, in the same way you will do these examples. Okay, thank you.